Data hours is during the European hours. And now at the best time, say around 3 p.m. London open, 4 p.m. No, 3 p.m. ish, 3 p.m. German market, Frankfurt market open, German market open. 1 hour later, European London market open. So these two are the key points. Most time we start around German market, look at it, 50 minutes one hand, because the price tends to be highly. If we trade currency, commodities, that's the best time. Crude oil was the best time. As I go, direct season, 3 to 4 p.m. Can make enough money to cover expense for a month. Okay, I'm talking about TRT expenses, not my pocket money. So nowadays, you trade gold. The problem with gold, I like trade slash gold got many different form of trading. So I will not cover too much because by nature itself is going to be very troublesome to cover asset class. So now for most people, beginner level, we look at XAU USD. I will show some sample later. Okay. So before we go further, as usual, disclaimer. Ladies and gentlemen, making money, losing money is your own personal responsibility. Ferrari, Porsche, BMW, everybody can carry a car, can go 200, 250, 300 kilometers per hour, can guarantee it. They can carry the vehicle can go so much, method can go so much, but doesn't mean you can drive so fast without killing yourself. Okay? So which one the best market trade? Depends on you. If your account size is $500,000, there's no choice to go to spot Forex. If your account size you got 3,000-4,000 US dollars, then the best market to go be options. Thomas, my account size is $500,000. Then send shares. Futures will be the best. So it depends on objective. Your capital will dictate your resources. Okay, Thomas, I'm very conservative. I can also guess you. I got $50,000. Then options, passive option style trade will be better. If you got $500,000, $50 million, Thomas, I want to invest for my great-grandchildren. Then a different style of trading. Options, shares. Okay, like one of my students here, go and sell naked puts, sell, got assign shares, hold the shares, then sell call, sell short calls. Then sell call, sell puts, collect cash, sell call, collect cash. Now hold long enough. I said, no, I close, the mother shares I hold, sell put, got shares, I close it for $8,000 profit. 10 years, 10 months? No, I think only 1 month. That's what my student doing. This method is customized to his needs because why? He have the resources to hold cash. So, like example, if you have the resource, like some of you here can participate shares or share equivalent, cannot ask you to do $300, $200 straight because why? See no up. So some people say my account $500, I cannot be do $300 straight because I got problem. So end of the day, trading is very personalized. Okay, I said earlier, I guarantee all trading methods should make money one. Because for every buyer, there must be a seller. For every seller, there must be a buyer. If the buyer lose $10,000, ask yourself, the $10,000 go to who? Technically, I would say go to sellers. I'll be honest. Money must go to somebody, theoretically. No such thing, money go to even the money, Thomas, I lose money. Market's a toilet bowl. Yeah, even go toilet bowl, flush out toilet bowl, you still become recycled water. New water, recycle water. There's nothing wrong. So remember, if you lose a lot of money, ask yourself, hey, your money go where? Somebody more competent, some more skillful than you lah. Competency, skillfulness is more valuable than knowledge. Because why? Knowledge, who do have knowledge? Who do have knowledge? Whoever got so much knowledge. Every day, 24 hours, you spend looking at YouTube channel for all the trading methods. You never finish. I guarantee, even look at 3 times the speed, we're gonna finish because the market is that bad. The market information is so much information. Nothing wrong with information. The ability to manage information, structured information to your needs is more important than knowledge itself. That's why YouTube, nothing wrong with the methods. You screw up because you never apply properly. You use method you cannot afford you. Like sell naked puts like that. Recently, some of long-term investing, go do structured deposit, lose 60% of his retirement fund. Complain about what? Of course, you go structured deposit, go do a structured note, that trigger at Alibaba $300. Now Alibaba, the time in Hong Kong dropped to what? Dropped to $80, $50 only. All the money put inside for extra 5%, 10% all gone. Be careful of structured notes. If you don't know what the hell you are. Of course, if you know what you're doing, then we can sit down and discuss how to DIY your own. If you want to do structured notes, do yourself. You don't trust the bank because bank take money from both sides. You versus the market, not happy. Log out computer, like, hey, how to tell me on spot how to get out, press 2 button, get out. You can do that with DI, do it yourself. Your bank cannot. You call, see, only get out, cannot. I must charge you 30% man withdrawal fees, right? Or more. Sorry. So again, making money is person responsible because there are so many ways of making money. There's as many ways of making money as and there's many ways of losing money. Remember, somebody lose, somebody must take. The people who give money is a loser. The person who take money is a winner. I make it simple. Okay, right. Traders Roundtable is founded by me with Dr. Fu and a few other people around here. I got people. My students helping me to do classes. I got Angie here. If you really want to, you can do one specialized class in Mandarin. I got people can help me do classes. Forex, futures, options, everything can be done. I'm a prop trader. Means I trade multiple assets. I was into Bitcoin before the word crypto. I bought Bitcoin before the word crypto become popular. That's how far back I go. Because I retired in 2002. Okay, 2005 to 2007, Ichiback, found myself elected founding president of a non-profit trading club. And 2007 to 2009, Ichiback spent $500,000 to buy overnight trading franchise. Then I cut loss because they are too business-minded for me. And attending 4 a.m. business conference is very sian because they're based in California. So that is 4 hours so far away. Then 2000, I start Traders Roundtable Private Limited. Okay, see in front of it behind. So I'm a portfolio trader. So every method you think of, I trade before, including some weird exotics. Why don't take behind seat or take the front seat here? Kelvin, give in to him. Okay, that's also done. So now, gentlemen, this is going to be open-end discussion. Let's start the world rowing. Now we talk. I did message up to the group about talking about gold and silver. So let's start the ball rolling. Gold and silver is quite hot and popular nowadays. Okay, let me show you what's going on in the market. Where is it? Sorry, I lost my thought already. Where is my let's use Saxo lah. Saxo is one of my account trading, one of my teaching accounts. Please do not ask me to show my account to you because it's not. So let me go and find Saxo here. This is a new month. I'll come back later. Where is the other one? Where is the gold and precious metal? Yeah. Most probably this is the most common tradable instrument in our market for people. It's a thing called, sorry, lost again. It's a thing what I call XEU USD. As you can see here, gentlemen, gold is all-time high now. Agree lah? We are looking back. Monday candles, go back to 2006. So end of the day, when to buy gold? To be upfront. What's the objective? To make short-term profit is different for long-term investing. If you look at long-term investing, talking about what I call doomsday investing. At time I go in silver class, I talk about doomsday investing. Doomsday investing is a form of investing. You buy gold and silver, you never cash out. It's only when you got doomsday. It means that means financially you're bankrupt, you need money, then no choice to sell. Or two, in God I trust, my $50, my $50 Sing dollars, I cannot buy 1 can of Coke. Then I got problem. Okay? Or my US dollars near worthless. Okay? Then physical time I sell. I do not trust the market. I do not trust financial market collapse, hyperinflation. Then gold and silver will consider one of more what you call disposal, one I call liquid stuff to trade in. Because remember, now in God we trust Sing dollars and US dollars. Okay? But if the trust get lost, good luck to us. That's why I call it doomsday. Highly unlikely lah. But if it happen, you need it like insurance like that, I love it lah. Okay? Come, Bang, sit down. Hidi, so long never see you. Oh, I'm not old student. Come on. Enjoy yourself. See in front. See behind Brian. See beside Brian. Now, let's go to chart pattern for day pattern now. As you can see here, today drop, yesterday drop. Not surprising. Last Friday drop because why? Is now looking for technical retracement. Tomorrow is bad. Nonsense. Please, you cannot hit a anything cannot hit a 5-day low. I don't think it's bearish. Okay? So I said earlier, now is what? Technical retracement. Actually, to be fair, I will not call it retracement. Why? Because why? You can see the candles here. The current candle price is what? It's still within it still cannot break the last bullish candle here. So what? Indecision consolidation nothing wrong. So this one, XAU USD is one of the most popular form of gold trading because you can buy as well as 1 ounce. Gold futures, which I trade a lot. Okay, gold futures I can trade a lot. See in front here? See the corner there, wherever. Okay, good. The XAU, one thing good, you can trade as low as 1 ounce. If I trade gold, my favorite trade style is /GC. Need 100 ounce. 100 ounce at $4,000 is $400,000. So the margin is exceptionally high. But if we trade XAU USD 1 ounce is $4,000. You can buy by cash also can. Okay, any question, anybody? This one very popular. Any spot forex broker or CFD broker let you trade. Okay? Any question, anybody? Anybody? So this is our best popular one. But this one is for trading purpose. This one is not for investing a whole longer term. If you want to hold longer term, Thomas, I want to hold for 6 months, 1 year. Then this company called GLD, Go ETF. GLD, this ETF, I like it very much because this one also listed in Singapore. Got GLD/S. You can use CPF money to buy for multi-year cycle. I know some of you accumulate one list X number of ounces on there. But what's the problem? Thomas, why so cheap? Because GLD ETF this GLD is 1/10 of ounce of gold. Make it easier for small people to smaller account size holder to buy. 1 ounce is $4,000 over. So GLD the physical gold ETF price versus the future price versus the spot, the what you call the CFD spot price, all are different price. /GC have one price. XAU USD private spot gold also one price. Then GLD physical ETF also another price. They are correlated, but they don't match. Okay, like example, if you go and buy, if you like me, I love my gold coins, and things like that. I love my gold coins here, like here, like this is the 1 ounce British mint material. It's legal tender. Means what? Officially, the coin itself, the gold may be worthless. Which one more expensive? 100, you can see 100 pound here now. 100 pound here means what? Physically it's worth 100 ounce, 100 pounds of the physical value of gold. 1 ounce. When start trading time, we cannot buy gold coins. I can buy the first bunch of coins are all Singapore mint one. Because next I must buy African cocoa rice. But African rice is under the time South Africa is under embargo, so you can't buy. Go KC must go Switzerland, talk to the gold talk to the middleman in South Africa middleman, exchange swap of there $50 there $1 note. You go read very good, very interesting history. The first investment in gold is done legally legally means that is under United Nations is illegal because there's a gold embargo against South Africa because of their white policy, apartheid policy. So go can see read there is up the it's record. This one go. Singapore gold coins is not so good, but if I were you, I would like to do I like to do what I prefer to do what I prefer the most acceptable one is Canadian Maple also see lah. Canadian maybe this one also got value one. I think 50 US 50 Canadian dollars. Now the time come $500. Why? I heard got long queue. Here, it's a legal tender. How much it worth? Can see 1 ounce here, 50 Canadian dollars legal tender. Okay. US the one also 50. Everyone have the legal tender value. If I go and click, yeah, this one silver, but I know them personally. So you want to invest in big quantity, talk to me. I can open the door for you. So many version. We got maple leaf. We got so this one Perth Mint here. All these are legal tender. Legal tender where the kangaroo here. This one belong to who? I'm not so sure. This one be careful. Not all cold bar gold coins got legal tender. Can see here got one. This is a one of rare gold bars are the legal. Can see what? What's the value here? $100. So this one legally. So by asking question, you want to buy a gold bar that is private gold bar, or you want to buy a gold bar issued by Australian Mint, chopped by legal tender? Which one more trusted? Legal. You think what? You want to copy American Golden Eagles, or you copy one gold bar? Copy one gold bar, it's a commercial affair. It's commercial affair, legal. You copy a Mylot gold bar, one kilo bar. But you copy American 1 ounce Golden Eagle. Hello, American Secret Service CIA will go after you, okay? Why? You sabotage American economy there. Print all the gold coins, render US dollars in God we trust, not trust body. Which one? You want my lot or one mean to go after you, or you want American government secret service and friends to go after you? Which one more dangerous? And which one make more money? The see one which one make money? The gold coin make more money, or one gold bar make more money? I hear the mean one. Which one make more money? The gold bar, 1 kilo gold bar definitely make more money. Easier, simpler. Correct. Okay? Wait, before we start, for those who haven't started yet, do not go and buy. Please do not go and buy gold. I suggest you to have 50 ounce, 100 ounce of gold, silver first. Why silver first? Silver is your small change. You cannot go like I mentioned earlier. You cannot 1 kilo gold bar is me after go back home grab go ask them here is $1,000 $10 change only can. In financial crisis, having a gold bar is very more risky personal point of view, because you change smaller quantum easier to change, bigger quantum harder, and you can't chop your gold bar off. So it's better to use 1 ounce. The 1 ounce that is small change $5 $10 notes correct. By the way, I have this also. I bought last year. This year I bought a bunch of it. 2025 is nice coin, lovely coin. Okay, so stylo my love. But they pay a premium now $74. Here what? Canadian paper leaf. Canadian paper leaf, this one not so good compared to what they'll be using the same pattern from year one. Okay. American Eagles. I got coins from 1980s, 1990s. Because every time I buy a few ounce, okay more than a few ounce, I've got silver, it's cheap. Gold buy less because gold is more expensive. So I've been accumulating since when? Since 1981. I bought my first silver coin at the age of 1979. That time 1 ounce, 0.4 ounce silver issued by Singapore Satellite Coin, issued by Goh Keng Swee. I paid $10 face value but 50 cents markup. Okay? That time hello, still NS boy, okay. The $10 very big at time, okay. Here all this is what this American Silver Eagles. Then here's what this Perth Mint Perth Mint got better design, I feel. This one is a worth okay. If you have your way, listen carefully. This one is cheaper by a few dollars. Okay? What's the problem? The problem this one is not legal tender. It's issued by private company. You see long LBMG, so it's London Board of Metal Exchange, something like that. Hello, come sit down or you sit on the floor also can. So answers okay, I bought a lot since I did over years. Not a lot. Every year buy 10 ounce, 20 ounce, I accumulate. This year I bought another 1 ounce plus for wifey. To make into pendants and medallions. Okay, and I for this type of thing, I buy most of it. So if you get married, you see, hey, this one will hold value. Ladies and gentlemen, let me share some historical. A lot of people don't understand why when you get married, my die must give gold crack. Die must give gold crack. You know why? Just in case the husband no good, wife can keep the gold. Not that in any financial crisis, war, I think, especially 150 years ago, 200 years ago, because owning to and stability of China and India, physical gold is more valuable. Because last time I get married, the the wife the wife family must give pigs lamb chicken and everything, correct? But they are not convenient. It's not wife family. It's not the family. So I give gold jewelry lah. So anytime the wife can bundle in in case of crisis of war, I can bundle a packet and run, right? Hey, one gold coin, this one was bought about 30 years ago. Okay, it's still valuable because jade. Yes, the jade is more valuable now. I don't know, but jade is not physical, not marketable. Gold is international benchmark. If I go and throw 1 ounce of gold coin, if it's Sudan or Iran, or actually I throw the gold coin, people recognize the gold coin. I put $10,000 now in Armenia, and Armenia said, must go and Google it. Google image it, see it's real or not. Which are more valuable? So, long before American Empire, Roman Empire, gold and silver be in the market already, bro. These are not crypto, people, crypto is, like, in God we trust the 25 numbers.
He's being adopted.
Can you use crypto? Can you go to crypto now? Here my 25 digit, I want to get out cash now. Any part of the world? No, my gold coin, I throw gold coin in, I went to Armenia, I throw gold coin, can I cash it local currency? The local Jewish pawn shop will give me, of course, will not be a good rate, but it still accept my gold. The problem, you believe electronic. What is there for 5 days, 5 nights, no electronics still happen. And now, I have to be careful. Now the latest quantum computer, they say the 25 code is not good enough, the break the 25 code. And even crypto, so what? I can keep my gold coin and gold bar under my bed. Sorry, like the international multi-big Cambodian Chinese, $13 billion kena one shot, kena sub. $13 billion. So what? Crypto save American government So what? You still get $30 billion. Because if you transfer down there, Biden will get trouble. I told you not to transfer account. Why transfer account? Why? Therefore you in trouble. That's why the problem. The problem is this. Currently, crypto is not everyday everybody use. The moment every day everybody use, maybe not my lifetime, maybe not in yours, definitely not in yours. Maybe his children or grandchildren, maybe. I agree. But currently now, I don't trust. Anything not tangible, I don't trust. Yeah, you like electronic. Yeah, one these days, for 5 days, 5 nights, internet breakdown. I think beginning of this year, one time, the court strike got problem, correct? Wow, for 2-3 days, wow, airport traffic jam. Why? Don't work. Lucky currency. To a point in time, now even the countries who aiming for cash free, like the Finland, Sweden, they said no, please, we still accept cash. Because when they say the cashless system cannot hacked by the Russians, suddenly everything don't work. Anyway, I'll show you. Okay, next. So let's go down here. So this is good. It's good for long-term investing. Sorry, it's good for your investment. If you really want to use doomsday investment, I think I open up my drawers. I got about 1 kilo plus of silver lying around here. I'm giving away 1 ounce. Okay, next Friday, next Saturday. This Saturday. I'll be doing one class only. The last class I did was about pre-COVID days. That's what I did. I did pre-COVID or during COVID days.
One only after COVID.
One kind. Then before that was 2013, 12. I do class very ready. Okay. So I giving away as usual. I got this practice of giving physical 1 ounce silver equivalent. Not legal tender, because I cannot. Because legal tender more expensive than I should. Anyway, okay. Anybody any questions? Any questions? So now copper. Okay, now wait. Let's focus gold and silver. Burger. We'll talk about crude oil and copper later. We got problem. See smart girl. She also see trade now. Anybody any questions? I got very short time. Then I pass it to Dr. Fu. Dr. Fu will take another 15 more minutes. I give Dr. Fu already. Anybody questions? Depends. What's the time frame?
Like doomsday kind.
Doomsday kind physical. I think to be fair, I love GLD Gold because they came out at time, it's one of those rare gold ETF, very rare, that joined this thing in America and Singapore. So you can buy GLD Gold / Singapore version using CPF. You think to buy long term, forget, you got to try to forget. Now, if really buy for doomsday, I would suggest a small quantity for physical doomsday. Okay?
More for retirement.
Retirement, then GLD Gold, a basket of GLD Gold, and things will come out from there.
Be like you audit the physical gold, right?
Sorry, there is nobody audit any physical gold before.
Yeah, they say they will.
You trust them? I trust them. Sorry, the America got 8,000 over tons of metric gold. 8,000, but I don't think the last person audit there before. America can be more, can be less. China,
Gold is there or not? Nobody know.
but gold is there, but what's the quantum? We don't know. Can be more. Like China said, it's so gold little. Accurate little. The China reserves go, they put down there only officially there. But really, ask yourself, ladies and gentlemen, do you know who the biggest treasury hold treasury bonds are? This I share with you. Which country hold the biggest, most US dollars bonds treasuries? None. One stupid third world country called this. I think one is Thailand or one of those third world money laundering company. How many from China? I don't know. China now, we reach a point in time, the third world, like Belize, now countries are on par. Singapore also got billions, and Singapore billions not all, it's billions of treasury, multi-billion treasury is top 5 or top 7 one. Singapore is that. Doesn't mean Singapore government holds so much treasury notes. Because remember, the country holding is not government. It's based on country of what they call denomination. Okay? Before we go further,
What's your the the prices?
prices are most disappointing. You are a trader. Market go up, buy. Market down, short. Let's go play the game. Because you are trading there. Year end is only 2 months only, correct? What? You ask me 10-year cycle, then we can discuss it earlier. Then you come back. So what's the objective? Trading, correct? Let me show you a trade. This will be fun. I think I post my trade, correct? I purposely post a trade called share to option conversion trade here. Where is it? Here? No, it's here. I do a fast one so I can pass to Dr. Fu. I'm getting bored. Where is it here? Oh, I can't find the make it. This one from this picture is from what 2000 don't know how years ago. So this Saturday class will talk everything related to precious metal. If you want to cover platinum also can. Where is my gold and silver? I love gold, I tell you. That's why. In my younger days, because I live in the Vietnam crisis, so I see the Vietnam refugees, they never bring out their Vietnamese dong out. They bring out US dollars, other currencies, Hong Kong currencies, and a lot of jewelry. That's why they love the jewelry. But when all this,
Your class one, is it?
Isha, I just put here one of them. Wait.
Last Friday.
Last Friday, what day is that?
Last Friday. 17th October.
Here lah. Here's one of them. See, this one I just put up. So this is a bunch of silver coin, but all these are legal tenders. 5 Swiss franc. Got 40% silver. And this one is a Mexican peso, 1/10. 6 years ago, I accumulated quite a bunch. Yeah.
17th October.
Let's go find 17th October lah.
Down.
How about down?
Down. 17th October.
October 17th, October, when we're seeing why don't have?
This 13th October.
Sorry, this is my student group. That's why they can tell me, he call this my student, can tell me. 17.
Thomas, click on my message. Click on my message.
Where? It's not,
Bottom right, bottom. Click on my message.
my message where? Here. Sorry, I'm lost again.
Yeah.
Where?
Scroll down, all the way down. Scroll all the way down. No, Thomas, the message. Scroll all the way down.
Sure.
One line, scroll all the way down. Just click here. Then you reference part.
I don't have a.
No, click on click on that one.
Yeah.
Then you reference the.
Don't have it.
Huh?
I can't click it, also can't find it. This is my first gold coin I bought lah. I bought it $110 for small markup. How many years ago? Legal tender. So I still keeping it. Okay, I tell people. So somebody ask me, hey, you take profit already? No, I don't take profit for what.
Okay,
hold on. Here. Can you see now? This is the EduTrade open on 6th of October, this 2 weeks ago. So I buy 100 shares just to show. Cost me how much? The time was $363 here. Then I bought at the money call option for $9.50. Which one better? Francis? Call option better or share better?
Call option. See the percent.
Yeah. You buy the physical value for short term. You make $2,000 a lot of money, but 7.6% return. Here make 203. Which one better? By the way, the $9 it happens to be a 5-day low. It's cheaper than a 5-day low. I know, but I just showed you because I was doing somebody told me, what should I buy? Buy ETF better. And that I got upcoming class next week. Next week is it? Share. No. I'm talking about shares to options. I think next week. Share to option class. This one I take for beginners. It's good. Share to option class. Share to option class. Instead of this is shares on top. This is ETF shares. They can buy options here. Which one better? By objective lah. If your account size is $500,000, I want to buy for long term, and of course a GLD share is good. Sometimes I want to make money in 6 weeks or 6 days or 3 weeks, 3 months. Then options better. Because why? There is a risk after we enter the market will drop. So we as a trader must calculate if I buy the mother shares, what is my cut loss correct? Therefore, then once we can do a cut loss, then we use the cut loss capital, then we find the most best options to trade with my cut loss capital. The time for this trade, cut loss capital was $11. Then I find something for $9.15 now. Okay. Below my cut loss. $11 I prepare to lose $11. But now I find something cheaper now. It's valid for what? Valid for 6 weeks, 7 weeks. Okay. And now it's 200%. Thomas drop somehow. Still I don't care. Even drop, even drop, I make 100% okay.
Very cheap ETF. IAU.
The problem IAU, what is the price volatility? Not everything is the same, my dear girl. Because check you are my price section monitoring. Check the price section volatility. See how much it move. If it's $1 a day, $2 a day, then you know you're screwed. This one definitely more than $1 a day, $2 a day. Correct. Or $2 a day. Okay. What I mean by price action volatility? Let me show you to understand better. Okay, now GLD go. Okay, you can see what's the price action. Sorry, this is what this 1 day. Wait, I need to bring up a bit.
GLD first step. Okay. Top left.
Left.
Top left.
Okay. Wrong company. No wonder so cheap. Okay, see GLD a day about $6-7 a day, $7 a day. Can make money and $6 a day, you work out numbers better than 3%, 4%. Correct. So we are traders. That's why we trade. So you have capital resources. Then ask yourself you XI. Okay. She asking this what's on XI what? I what?
IAU.
IAU to me I don't like it too much. Okay, but I don't mind. Look carefully. $80, correct. What's the price action value every day? 150 there. So which one can move faster? What's the budget? Give me Yeah.
So, $73.
You can try luck. Okay, another thing, also option moneyness. This one, I won't talk too much about it. Option moneyness, we'll talk about it. So interested, we can turn the shares to option, turn share to option class. Option moneyness, we turn it the one. Okay, share to option class, now focus on the underlying assets. Because like I talk, 3 hours not enough. Okay, questions? We share option because option able do multi-directionality. Any last question about gold? Silver also same. Technically, silver is better. I like silver. Silver is more volatile, but silver is less established. And okay, I show example of gold because gold is 1/10 the size. Please do not trade gold, silver. Please do not trade gold, silver contracts. Please do not trade silver futures contract.
Yeah.
You know why not?
5,000.
5,000 ounce, friend. $50 is $2.25 million. So the silver is cheap, but the quantum is 5,000 ounce. Gold only 10 100 ounce only. You scared. And now all things be equal, in terms of per dollar value, silver is more volatile than gold. Maybe 1-2% more. Can scare. $1 is $5,000. $2 $10,000. Of course you make money. Anyway, okay, no problem. Sorry. Let's focus on gold and silver. Copper is not so hot. And copper, if you look at sideways market, it's going sideways. End of the day, I say it's not what we think. We see the momentum going up. Yes.
So, what you see as the volatility of the gold itself.
You are my student.
The
You should use price action volatility, 14 days, 15 day cycle. You work out numbers. But it's expanding quite a lot. I'll show you now. I'll show you something. As you look carefully. XUSD, you can see now. Compare to August, every day once from 47 cents, from 47 cents, now go up to 150. And let me show you the XA XAG, I think. XAU. XAU. That's sorry. Getting old already. So learn fast. After I forget everything, you problem. XAUSD. You can see now. You see the price volatility is on this side is the gold. Look carefully. You can see look at it. In August is low. You see from $35 a day per ounce, spot gold. And then now it's near 100. So you tell me the volatility. Sorry, ATR will give us the let's say it's 15 last 3 weeks. So we don't use ATR 5 because if ATR 5 the definitely go. For what? Trading purpose and investing purpose are two different things, man. Bro, see market, trade market. What's the objective? Long-term investing. Use longer time frame lah. If you use, like say, intra-week, 5 days, 10 days, of course, in a different story. Please don't take it as one definition or size fit all. Okay? Dr. Fu, stand by. I give to you. Now, question? Okay, this other thing. So physical goal, I think itself. Physical goal itself, I love, actually depends on objective. For 2, 3, 4 weeks, 2, 3 months, this option is better because it's cheaper, more affordable. 1, 2 years, then physical. 5 years, physical better. Thomas, I hope for next generation, doomsday, then buy physical.
What time to buy?
So I don't care.
Why we time?
Sorry. Can you not go to $5,000, $10,000?
It's better to let go.
You think too much. You think God was right. Then drop 50%, I enter. Then you wait lah. And nothing wrong, Grace. I tell you, because you have this mindset thinking, you believe I predict. How good are you? If I'm good, I clap for you. But if not, you're holding for 5 year, 10 year cycle. What's the problem? Hey, US dollar is weakening already. I tell you, S&P 500 market is not all time high. It's all time high in relation to US dollars. But if you look at S&P 500 in relation to gold, it's sideways for the last 2 years. I tell you first, but because I don't talk too much, right? Because most of the time I spend, make money, I spend money in US dollars, so I don't care. How much US dollar doom? No. US dollar is doomed, then trust me, all other countries will doom faster. You cannot tell me Sing dollar is $1. $1 Sing can make you get $150. Quite long. I think delusionary. Maybe your children, your grandchildren, maybe like young man. I let me tell you, I know it's not going to happen. Okay, so understand me, sir. That's why you buy the CAFD gold. I don't know what's the cycle holding. But if you say do 1-2 days intraday trading or overnight trading or intra-hour trading, then spot gold, CFD gold is okay. But even do 3, 4, 5 weeks, option is definitely better, safer because I show you the 6,000 the 6,000 over dollars or $900, which one better? That's not sure. This one is actually not said. By the way, I post this straight. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, instead I post out a share you is a live ongoing trade. I have not cashed out yet. But to be upfront, you're honest, these are what I call edu trading. I post my trade edu trades. I structure trades to educate people. My personal trading, I don't post too much. Very, very because let's be honest, like that how to cannot cover my expenses for the month. Yeah, holiday cannot cover. Question anybody? Dr. Fu, are you ready? Dr. Fu, you like Dr. Fu better, more systematic, more organized. Me, I literally see market, I literally trade market. For those who want practical skills, find me. And long practical skills. So the people who love to learn 2, 3 days, 4 days structured class notes, Dr. Fu is better than me. I guarantee. People love Dr. Fu because it's structured notes class. Come, Dr. Fu, it's all yours.
I don't trade chocolate. Okay, I don't trade gold. I don't trade silver. I not very money though. Talk about one question you ask. You like right? You like lah. And yesterday. Good job, good job. If I wish, she last people and I cash out 500 accumulatively. So gentlemen, here we do for Kobo. After who specialize in for fundamental, technical and analytics. Me, I cover more of it. Next week, maybe Monday or tomorrow. Up to me if you want. Okay, for those of you who are new, just to give you a 1 minute of summary of myself. I guess where you call me shares 25 years in the banking industry, working for some of the biggest bank in the world. Obviously, I spent 30 years in trading, mainly in stock exchange, commodities, and currency. My company is in finance and other stuff. Okay, so see some of you go to Forex. Okay, so that's what I call some of things like. Okay, my mission is of course work with farmers. This is a community of leaders and mentors. So all like-minded people come to this community to share our knowledge and experiences. So we are new to out this and you join the community because there's so many of us. And we can help you with whatever we can. At the same time, I also like number of books. I wrote this book for one simple reason. When I conduct a workshop, it's a reference book. Because I don't believe in using other books. So this book here is a program. For example, trading nature 70 level for technical traders. And that's the reason why I wrote this book. Trading nature because this is an entry book for technical traders. You already have some background, background, and Shabbat. Okay, disclaimer, very important. I'm here to share accumulate knowledge. Not can give you any tips or any financial advice. So don't ask me for what stock to buy on Tuesday, the market open. So I won't able to tell you. Okay?
Given that our job is not to choose good methods to performance. My job is not to tell the fact when buy, opportunity. What they find until I when they profit with that option. My job is to choose trading school that competent in trading machine. I have trained people until the methodology to competent market sugar, which is the trading. Okay. So again, before going to some of the books, you could have some of the books you could have possible traders, traders, and training good at all. So we do figure out a lot of I'm recently got people class, right? 114 pages, you know, very good lagging that. So a lot of books in knowledge, right? So the person who writes that code is a structured learning, those guys. You write someone and you figure out and I mean, that way, you don't break out. That's how I'm going to be talking. Okay. So all yours.
I see most of you have been trading for a while. The most important consider like getting is so-called risk management. You can have the best system in the world, you can have the best knowledge system. So always remember, but every time you put in the trade, you must always be prepared to take loss on. And the number one rule I always have my thought is you start to have a fixed loss. Meaning if I put in a trade, I'm above how much loss you will get. For example, put in a trade because you use something cost sports dollars. And so I'm not to get $150 for that risk. If you can't exhaust or loss, price of better okay? Because when you put in a trade and the prevent return, the mindset changes. Okay? And the mindset change is very differently. If you change the consider, okay, you trade is very active and intelligent, the mind works differently. What do you do today? Obviously, the other important point of proper loss, take it as a form of investment, right? That is the greatest lesson you ever learned. Because when you analyze a lot, you know why you make a lot, that is the greatest advice. Okay? Okay, I see that a few of you are still up, so I just want to focus on what is trading. Okay? Trading basically means the transfer of money. For people who know, right? So if you are a guy who know what you're doing in the market, then that is the one who is buying from the back of you. Okay? So that's the very simple explanation of what trading is all about. So if you do not know what you're doing, obviously you can find it. You don't know. For example, if I'm doing the trade, I know what I'm doing. But I know what I'm doing. That will be a good thing for running that because on the other hand, there are people who just come to the market. And if you know what to do, they'll just randomly put in a trade and they approach you at trade. So I think the market, there are two